See that one? That one's ready to, that's a bit stiff, so yeah. Do you have it, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
It stopped for some reason.
Oh, okay. Well, not to worry, as long as you got the main pair. I'm going to show you how to put them on as well. So, it's the last one. And then what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to scrape underneath because there's a lot of gank and shit. Yeah, could feel it right there. Bad student.
Back with another lawnmower tutorial with Deeber.
Yeah, that's me. Yeah. Alright, so a bit more.
I have a cheap toothbrush. Would that be of any use to you?
I'll just scrape on and show you.
I'm not keeping Harvey in.
Yeah, dry them off because it's wet outside. So now,
Everything over the circle.
new stuff,
Okay.
new blades. Is that
Over
you want
the
to?
circle. Thank you. Did it?
I'll get perfect
You
out
don't need to peel anything off.
and do the rest.
Put your screw in.
Yeah.
You need me to hold it off.
Might ask you, but for now we're all good.
Maybe don't actually, because if I'm pairing my own.
See, the thing kicks back and forth, so that's why you sometimes need to be careful.
Delicate.
Yep, and that one's done. And then, like, they can stay kind of like that. More so, I would
That's
say.
just how you can find the other install, isn't it?
Pretty much. But once you find the first one, then the rest is easy enough. There we go.
Beautiful.
And then give it another spray. And when you put this disc here, all of the screws should be visible. See how they're all visible there?
Yeah.
I'll get down the last two, stop.